Donations are now being accepted for Galaxy Log. Please go to the following link for more information. Thank you from the Galaxy Man.
After setting the big dub up and collimating it, I swung over to Leo for first view of the night with NGC 2903 using a wide field 20mm eyepiece. Even at this low power, the galaxy and field of view was wonderful. I judged the sky conditions as average transparency and subpar seeing conditions early on, though seeing got a bit better later in the night. After first view, the galaxy we'll next venture to is one of the best and brightest irregular galaxies in the northern sky, NGC 4449, the Canes Venatici. The view with an 8mm wide field eyepiece really showed an amazing amount of detail, with a vivid bright core and the whole galaxy richly modeled. Large H2 regions and star clouds dominate throughout, mostly north of the core. This galaxy responds well to most telescopes under dark moonless skies. Just north of NGC 4449 is a far distant collision going on, an interacting system called UGC 7593. For Galaxy Log, I'm designating them as A and B. The cores of each align east and west and stood out well in the big scope. With a 6mm eyepiece and moments of good seeing, a faint hook on the west side could be seen, pointing slightly northwest. On an earlier night, I was able to view both cores with my 12.5-inch f4.8 diop at a magnification of 305. No other detail was seen this night. Not too far from this point is a pair of galaxies, NGC 4618 and NGC 4625. In my opinion, NGC 4618 is a very underappreciated galaxy that under good dark skies shows almost photographic detail. Here, using an 11mm ultra-wide field eyepiece, the view knocked my socks off. I first noticed a strong bright wide bar going across the core of the galaxy that seemed to sparkle. And the obvious features is huge sickle-shaped arm protruding on the east side of the bar and hooking south, and then curving northwest. Also on the southern part of the arm is a patch of light, which is a large star cloud. NGC 4625 to the northeast is a bright smaller galaxy that at this magnification showed as having a bright small core and a mottled disk. I would like to view this galaxy under better sky conditions and at higher power. Moving into Draco, and the tip of the dragon's tail, is the very elongated spiral NGC 3735. With an 8mm wide field eyepiece, the galaxy sported a bright core region that stood out well. The arms pointing northwest to southeast showed modeling throughout. This is a nice nearly edge-on galaxy that should be clearly visible in telescopes 6 to 8 inches under good sky conditions. Nearby to NGC 3735, but we go much farther out into deep space, the galaxy chain of Hickson 55. I first located Hickson 55 with the 11mm eyepiece that showed the galaxy chain as a faint elongated glow. Inserting the 6mm eyepiece, a couple galaxies came into view. Two of them fairly clearly, a third when seen was steady, and perhaps a fourth with averted vision. Amazing to think the light I was seeing here was from over 700 million years ago, as it traversed through the darkness of space and into my large telescope and eye. It Gotta love it. Until the next Galaxy Log, happy galaxy observing, and remember, there's an amazing universe all around us. Explore it.